Listen to one song and get paid $5. Listen to 2 songs and get paid $10. Listen to 10 songs and get paid $50. Just imagine what it would feel like getting paid just to listen to music. In this video, I will show you how you can earn thousands of dollars. Here is how to do it. First, go to Pixabay.com to find free music. Next, go to the music section where you can find tens of thousands of free music tracks to use and download completely for free. As you can see, you can sort by different genres and themes, and you can choose whatever music you like. Next, search for the music you would like to listen to. I am going to choose the pop genre as it has a lot of listeners and will therefore make me more money. Next, we are going to be listening to the music in the genre that we chose, and we are going to try to find music that we like and that you think others would also like listening to. There is thousands of music tracks to choose from, so you will never run out of options. Try listening to as many songs as possible and choose only the very best ones, that way you are ensured to find success later on. Once you have found a song or a few songs that you like, you can download them for free, and we will proceed to the next step. But first, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, as it would be much appreciated, and if you have any question you can comment down below and I will help you. Now you want to go to Upload Forever, which is a platform where you can get paid to upload music or other various files, and when someone downloads the file, or in this case your music, you will be paid. Next, you want to create an account by simply choosing a username and a password and then entering your email. You can also sign up using Google, Facebook, and Twitter. As you can see, there is tons of people getting paid every single day from this method. There is also a lot of different payment methods to choose from so that you can get paid all around the world. You can get paid with PayPal, Payeer, Payoneer, Skrill, and you can also get paid in crypto with Bitcoin and Ethereum. There is also a lot of payment options, with the minimum payout only being $1. Some websites have the minimum payout super high so that you have to earn a lot of money, but on this website you can easily withdraw every single sale that you are going to make. Next, you want to go to the Upload Files section, and you simply want to drag and drop the music file that you just downloaded. Make sure that you make the file public so that anyone can see it. You can also upload files with URL upload or FTP upload, or you could copy the files. When you have uploaded the file, click on the Submit button to upload it to Up Forever. Now go to the My Upload section and click on the pencil to edit your music that you just uploaded. Here you can set a price on your file. I'm going to make it $7, which means that I will be earning around $7 every time someone downloads my song. If you for some reason can't get paid with the payment provider like PayPal or Payoneer, you can also redeem gift cards or upgrade your account to a premium account with unlimited downloads. If you keep on repeating these steps, you can potentially earn thousands of dollars just by listening to your favorite music and then downloading the music track and uploading it to Up Forever. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and if you want to learn how you can start a 6-figure automated YouTube channel, check these videos out. See you in the next video.